Click on the link below to get price. The Tripp Lite 70 to 90-inch TV/monitor wall mount is an impressive product that combines durability with ease of installation, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to mount a large television or monitor. Designed for screens ranging from 70 to 90 inches, this wall mount provides robust support and stability, ensuring your valuable investment is securely displayed. One of the standout features of this mount is its user-friendly design. The packaging includes clear instructions and all necessary hardware, allowing for a straightforward installation process. Most users will find that they can complete the setup in under an hour, even if they aren't particularly handy. The mount accommodates various VESA patterns, making it compatible with a wide range of TV models. This flexibility is a significant advantage, as it eliminates the need for additional adapters. The construction of the Tripp Lite wall mount is impressive, featuring heavy-gauge steel that ensures longevity and sturdiness. After installation, it holds the TV firmly in place, giving you confidence that it won't sag or wobble over time. The mount also offers a tilt feature, which allows you to adjust the angle of the screen for optimal viewing, reducing glare and enhancing your overall viewing experience. Another noteworthy aspect is the sleek design that complements modern interiors. The mount keeps the TV close to the wall, which not only saves space but also creates a clean, minimalist look. Additionally, customer feedback highlights the mount's ability to support heavy screens without any issues. This is crucial for larger models that can weigh significantly more than their smaller counterparts. Overall, the Tripp Lite 70 to 90-inch TV/monitor wall mount is a reliable solution for anyone seeking a stylish, sturdy, and easy-to-install mounting option for their large display. It provides great value for the price, making it a highly recommended purchase for home entertainment enthusiasts and professionals alike.